nalaman namin na pregnant ako, magto 2 months na, nakapag-travel pa kami international. Hindi ko alam, or not aware na buntis na ako. Sobrang gaan, siguro kasi yung husband ko nga is very hands-on, lahat magiging smooth lang, ganun.
Bumagal ako mag-drive.
We will do everything, lahat, maibigay namin sa kanya lahat.
Tiny moments filled with going, perfect weekends I could dream all night. We don't need a lot of money.
Ako team boy ako kasi gusto ko may kalaro.
Team boy ako.
Team girl ako. Dami na kasing lalaki.
Kahit lalaki o babae, gusto ko rin. Ang gusto ko, mabilis sana siya lumaki para abutin ko.
2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up.
Kung maging God-fearing lang siya, matulungin, tapos maging mabuting anak.
Team girl. Team girl. 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 Baby girl ako.
Kuya,
Make me feel alive. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Love, love, little things. Love, love, little things.
For me, parang it's a boy. Feeling ko lang, wala daw akong morning sickness, that's why.
babae. Gawa ng blooming.
May makeup lang.
Kahit wala namang makeup, blooming ka eh. Kahit yung iba din naman nagsasabi babae daw.
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend a day. Dream a dream with me. There's so much we can be. Just wait and see. The future is bright.
Tama pala yung sinasabi nila na pag naging parent ka na, yung lahat ng gagawin mo sa buhay mo is reason na yung anak mo. Parang, ay, ganun pala talaga.
The story's just begun. The story's just begun. There's only chapter 1. The best is yet to come.
Ang wish ko sa apo ko, good health and happiness.
Healthy, siyempre. Yun ang best na wish.
Just begun.
So ngayon, yung pinaka-wish ko talaga is maging healthy lang siya. And syempre, paglabas niya, for sure naman, mahal na siya ng lahat. Wala pa siya dito.